Okay, so welcome to your Tuesday workout. We're working our glutes mostly today and ending with the Tabata, so I'll explain all of that to you. So you're going to need your weights, you're going to need a couch. So like every other workout, put down the weights, start with a 3-minute warm-up, get the body warmed up, and anytime you do your dynamic warm-up, you have to move. We don't want any standing still stretches to warm up. We want to move the body and get the body warmed up for these dynamic stretches. So you can do the same stuff you did yesterday. Maybe you could do some full jumping jacks. You can bring some knees up, pump the arms up at the same time. All sorts of options. As long as you're getting the body moving and getting the blood flowing, that's really the idea of the warm-up. So after you do that for 3 minutes, the first exercise, you're going to want to come to your couch. Okay, you're just going to want to put your back up against the couch and your feet are just going to be in front of you pointed forwards, and you can go ahead and grab your weights and just kind of sit them on your hips here. And what you're going to do is 30 seconds of what's called hip thrusters. So you're going to bring the hips up and down. So exhale, bring them up, inhale, bring them down, and then just have your weights on your hips for added resistance. And you want to try and make sure that your knees are in line with your heels and your ankles whenever you do this one. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds, and then for the next 30 seconds you're going to hold it and just pulse the legs open for the hip abductions, and this is really going to help target the glutes for the next 30 seconds. And then for another 30 seconds you do your hip thrusters, 30 seconds hold with the hip abductions, and you do that for your 3 rounds. So that's the first superset for the glutes. And then the next one, we're going to be doing a bunch of what they're called donkey kicks and fire hydrants. So you can actually place your weights on the inside of your knee for extra resistance if you want. It might be hard to balance it. If it's a struggle, then don't worry about it. You don't have to put them there. But that's something you can do, is hold it there. And the donkey kicks are straight up just kicking your foot back like this. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds, and then for 30 seconds you're going to do fire hydrants, and basically you can imagine yourself like a dog trying to pee on a fire hydrant, straight up. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds. So what I want you to do is go back and forth 30 seconds with your donkey kicks, 30 seconds with your hydrants, 3 sets, stay on one side, and that's going to take you the first 3 minutes, and then the next 3 minutes switch sides. So then do 3 sets, 30 seconds donkey kicks, 30 seconds hydrants, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, no breaks in between. And all of that is going to work the glutes really hard for the first part of the workout. Now the second half of the workout is we're going to do something called Tabatas. And basically Tabatas are a fancy type of cardio. And what we do is we do 20 seconds of a workout and then 10 seconds of rest, 8 rounds of that, and that equals 4 minutes. And that's one Tabata. What we're going to do is we're going to do 3 different Tabatas. The first one is going to be skaters, then football runs, and then squat with side kicks. So I'll explain how those work. So the skaters are literally just, you're going to hop from side to side as far as you can. And they could be small hops, or they could be wide hops, wherever you're at. And you're going to do it for 20 seconds, and then 10 seconds you're going to rest, and then you're going to do it for 20 seconds, and then 10 seconds you're going to rest, and then you're going to do it for 20 seconds. And you're going to do that 8 times. It's going to last 4 minutes. And then right after that one, you're going to go right into the football drills. So all that is you just run really fast on your toes for 20 seconds, and then 10 seconds of rest, and then 20 seconds as fast as you can, goes fast, kind of basically get the booty jiggle sort of thing going on, and then 10 seconds rest. You do that 8 times, that'll last 4 minutes. And then the last one is the squat with side kicks. So you're going to go into a squat, remembering to keep the knees in line with the ankles when you squat, really push the butt out, and then when you come back up, you're going to do a side kick. Squat, side kick, squat, side kick. You're going to do that for 20 seconds, rest for 10, 20 seconds do it. That'll last you another 4 minutes. So all of those Tabatas are still working the glutes really hard, but then getting you that cardio in at the same time, so you should be feeling yourself getting out of breath, and it should be really difficult. And then you're going to have your 5-minute cool down. So you want to focus on trying to stretch the lower body especially. So what you can do is sit down with the legs crossed, and you can just kind of bring yourself forward to get a nice stretch in the side here. Switch legs, coming forward. You can do a quad stretch, so you can lay down and reach for the back of the foot. And switch sides. Another good one is also to get a good side stretch, this sort of thing. So that's an option. I feel like I missed something actually. Is that everything? Yeah, it's the Tabata. Yep, so just like all the other workouts, your 5-minute stretching routine at the end to help cool you down and to stretch out the muscle groups that you worked. So go ahead and do that workout, and I'll see you in the next video.